In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore version history on Google Sites, fast and easy. Whether you've made an accidental edit or simply want to revert to an earlier version of your site, these steps will guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to hop over to Google Sites. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google Sites in the search bar. Hit Enter, and it should bring up a list of results. Now simply click on the first link you see. This will direct you to the Google Sites homepage, where you have access to all the sites you've been working on. Once you're on the Google Sites main page, the next step is to select the specific site you want to work with. Your sites will be displayed, and from there, simply click on the site name to open it. This will take you to the page editor, where you can make changes or, in our case, start the process of restoring a previous version. Here comes the crucial part. At the top right of your screen, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Click on it, and you'll see several options appear. From those options, you'll choose Version History. Google Sites keeps track of changes made to each site. So this function is especially useful when you need to access a prior version. After you hit Version History, a panel displaying previous versions or changes made to your site will appear. Browse through the list to find the version you wish to restore. It's helpful to know that Google Sites displays timestamps for each version, which makes it easier to identify the exact version you're looking for. This is particularly useful if you know when the mistake or unwanted edit happened. Now, with the version you wish to revert to selected, look again for the 3 vertical dots, which should be next to the version name. Click on these dots, and you'll see the option to restore. Go ahead and click Restore, and voila! Your site reverts to the chosen version. With these simple steps, you've successfully restored a previous version of your Google site. It's important to remember that this process doesn't delete your newer versions, so you can always return to your most recent site version if needed. Keep in mind, understanding how to manage your content effectively can prevent data loss and ensure your website remains operational and up to date. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you become more comfortable using Google Sites and understanding its version history feature. If you have any comments, thoughts, or need further assistance, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.